Vindictor.
Oh. And these are just some temporary little window panes, because we're gonna have to tackle this whole thing, because this is stuck and obviously it's not insulated at all. So later we have to see what we're gonna do about that. But for now, this keeps the wind and the animals out, so that's great. Good morning, everyone. Another beautiful day today. We are quickly going to the city for some Italian lessons and some other small stuff, and then we are going back to work.
Ik niet uit handelen. Nou, ik zeg je. Zit hou je wel aan zetten. Even een beetje chap tussen doet. Zou ik die wel beter doen, denk ik.
If you're wondering why I'm dressed like the Swedish flag, it is because it is still flipping cold here. We don't have any heating still, so this is our heating. Alright, let's get to it. The water. We are going to continue down here, and then we're slowly gonna build our way up again. First order of business. These are the heating pipes, so we shouldn't touch those, although that is quite hard seeing how these go into the wall, etc. But I think these ones are the old water pipes that enter above, and that's actually the ones there when you get out, so we can get our new tubing in. So that has to go without affecting these ones. Tricky. Actually, we're not gonna start there because that one goes up. There is one lower, I think. If we look here, this one might go through that wall and enter that little area on that side. I'll show you. So the first point, which is the lowest point, is this one here. This pipe right here enters through the wall, goes alongside this edge, and runs all the way here to, I don't know what it used to be here, but On the other side, there is a toilet. Right here. So we need water here. So that's why we're going to use that point and run water all the way down here. So that is the first point that we're gonna try and solve. So let's see if it budges, if it moves a little bit, so we can put in our own tubing.
Het kost een tegeltje, maar...
The idea was that if this one moved a little bit, then we could wiggle it loose and then we could pull it out. But obviously, as expected, I mean, it doesn't give at all.
meneer een echt gaat geboord, hij zegt. Hè?
As we're super used to now, the pipe goes something like that and then back, I guess, in like a... Surely they must have had a reason to do it like that, but at this point I don't even expect the pipe to go straight anymore. Getting close. Man, I still wouldn't know why you would make like a 90-degree bend in the middle of the wall. And in what case is that beautiful? Yeah. 90 degrees, 90-degree bend.
Inmurig.
To be some kind of insulation in this wall. Don't know what it is though. Probably some standard glass wool or something. Didn't expect that. Especially not since the whole thing was built in 1896, right? Very much doubt that they had this material to their disposal.
Je kunt deze die halen. Dus met zachte cement daarom. Zo mooi goed deze. Dat hebben ze allemaal gevoegd.
So we got our first point through this wall for the water in this side of the house done, which is great. We're splitting, as you might have noticed, we're splitting the north and the south side. So in the past videos we've worked on the north side of the building. So now we're moving to the south side of the building. First access point for the water through the wall is done. So now we're moving on to the ground floor. However, that is not for today, since it's already quite dark and we're gonna make dinner because I'm starving.